Hi, welcome to Kat's Kitchen. Today's dish is a super simple vegetable curry. I will show you my version, but you can add or leave out any vegetables of your choice, really. You will see that this is an excellent starter dish for plant-based beginners as the method is very similar to a stir fry. You can serve this dish with white, brown, red or black rice. So I start by frying the ginger and the shallots on medium heat, and I will then pop in the vegetables with the longest cooking time first, followed by the other veggies. I stir fry them to roast them, and this will also create sort of a roasting layer on the bottom of my pan, and that's what I'm looking for because that's lots of flavor in there. For my curry dish, I'm using a spice mix called Ras El Hanout, but sometimes I also use a curry blend for this dish. And I'm adding this to my veggies before I add a splash of water to release all the flavors from the bottom of the pan. You will see they come off really easily. And now it's time to add my cashew cream little by little to see how much liquid I really need. I will also add my other spices now, that's caramelized garlic, salt, pepper and miso paste. Usually I will also add some lime juice and zest. Taste and adjust the seasoning if necessary. Finally, add some chopped kale or spinach, and then you can simmer this as long or as little as you want. The flavors will intensify if you store the curry overnight, and the vegetables will become more soft, but that's up to your taste. If you need a cashew cream recipe, you can find it on my website. This is where you will also find a printable recipe card for this curry. That's Kat'sKitchenStories.com. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. See you next week. Lots of love, Kat.